Today I'm going to teach you how to make amazing drawings. So first we have to cut out the pieces of a craft paper, colorful craft papers, or get some crayons, acrylic paint, or anything you want, and then color a page, and then cut out, and you need it. Then we have to make a drawing, and then we have to get the glue and spread it out. Okay. So then we have to stick it. Okay, we are going to take first orange. Then I'm going to show you what I have drawn. Okay, let's stick this orange in here. I'll draw a landscape. But you don't know how I draw it. Okay, you will see in the end of the video. Okay, I'm going to make a part 2 because I'm laying down right now. Okay, then took another part, and then we're gonna get it at the down part like this. Here, whoa, it's looking so cool. Wish, yeah, right there. Then let's take the another part. Let's take another one. An orange and a red part. Okay, this orange will go up. Okay, I'm going to make a part 2, so don't worry about it. Stick it up. It is taking so long time. Okay, now let's go. You can take more glue if it is wrong. Yeah. But when we are drawing, we have to make sure that when it's a big part, you have to color it first. Because if a part is more smaller, you can't color it because it will get much time. Oh, if it gets stick in your hands, you can rub on your palm so it will like get peeled off your skin. Jeez, it looks like I'm peeling my skin. Let's take this little bit one and let's stick it. And then let's take another one and stick it. This will take so much time right now. So I'll see in the part 2. So when we get all the done, so I'm going to show you part 2. So bye, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment do it again. Okay, today I'm going to send the video. Okay, within 1 hour. Okay, so you have to please make sure you subscribe to my channel first. Okay, now bye. See you in the next video.